So here is Yandanda Square, downtown Toronto, in a snowstorm, one of the bigger ones of the year, 2025. So you can see people here don't know how to drive in the snow. Look at that, green Challenger distance, that's nice. So the streetcar you can see in the snow. So it's really snowing here. So watch this, look at the color of this car that's coming up. Super nice. Look at that. Green Challenger. Perfect color for it. So this is like the coldest January / February we've had in this city in a while. But this is like the second snowstorm this week, the third big one this year. So not much snow this year, but today there is. So here we finish this video of all the snow. This was just a quick look at it. Thanks for watching.